Sausages, a staple in countless kitchens around the world. Whether grilled, fried, or smoked, they've stood the test of time, evolving from simple preserved meat into a global food industry worth billions. But where did it all begin? The origins of sausages go back over 4,000 years. First crafted in Mesopotamia as a clever way to preserve meat, using salt and animal intestines. From there, they spread across Europe and Asia, adapting to local flavors, techniques, and ingredients. Today, the sausage-making process is a fine-tuned industrial marvel, designed for speed, safety, and consistency. So how are sausages actually made in a modern factory? Let's break it down, from raw materials to the final product. It all begins with meat selection, usually a mix of pork, beef, or chicken. Large factories receive chilled or frozen meat in bulk. These cuts are trimmed and sorted based on fat content, lean percentage, and specific sausage type. Fun fact, most industrial sausages maintain a 70-30 ratio of lean meat to fat, ensuring texture, moisture, and flavor. Before any processing begins, the meat is inspected for quality, temperature, and traceability, ensuring it meets safety standards. Once approved, it's sent to the grinding phase. Giant stainless steel grinders reduce the meat into uniform particles. The grind size varies depending on the final product. Finer for hot dogs, coarser for bratwursts or Italian sausages. Now comes mixing. The ground meat is transferred into industrial mixers, where spices, salt, curing agents, and additives are added. Seasonings are pre-measured to the gram. Automated systems ensure precision every single time. What's in the mix? It depends. Traditional bratwursts may include white pepper, nutmeg, and mace. Smoked sausages, paprika, garlic, and curing salt. Some varieties include breadcrumbs or starches as binders. The mixture is tumbled under vacuum to extract proteins, helping bind everything into a uniform, sticky paste. This step also removes air pockets, which could cause issues during cooking or packaging. With the sausage mix ready, it's time for stuffing. Automated stuffing machines inject the mix into long casings at speeds of up to 500 portions per minute. Casings can be natural, usually pig or sheep intestines, or collagen-based, depending on product requirements. Each sausage is then linked, twisted at precise intervals to create equal portions, and cut to size. This part of the line runs like clockwork, with motion sensors and robotic arms working in sync. At this point, the sausages are still raw. What happens next depends on the type of sausage being made. Let's talk cooking and curing. Fresh sausages go straight to packaging and refrigeration. Smoked sausages, they head into massive smoking chambers, where wood chips, steam, and temperature cycles work together to flavor, color, and partially cook them. This process can take anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours. Some sausages, like frankfurters, are fully cooked in hot water baths or ovens, then quickly chilled using air tunnels or ice water sprays to lock in moisture and maintain food safety. This part of the process is tightly controlled. Even 1 degree off can affect taste, texture, or shelf life. Now comes quality control, and it's intense. Samples are taken from every batch to check for microbial levels, pH balance, moisture content, and even casing elasticity. High-speed cameras scan every sausage for shape, color, and surface defects. If anything's off, the entire batch is flagged for reprocessing or disposal. Fun fact, some factories use metal detectors and X-ray scanners to identify even the tiniest foreign objects. A single missed bone fragment or metal shaving could mean a total recall. Once cleared, it's on to the final step: packaging. Sausages are vacuum sealed, gas flushed, or shrink wrapped, depending on the product type and destination market. Labels are printed and applied with expiry dates, nutritional data, and barcodes. In many cases, robotic arms handle the entire process, from loading trays to sealing and boxing. The finished packages are then palletized, chilled, and shipped, ready for supermarket shelves, restaurants, or exports. From raw meat to wrapped product, the entire process can take just a few hours. Efficiency and hygiene are everything. Stainless steel surfaces, regular sanitation cycles, and employee safety protocols are strictly enforced. So, next time you bite into a sausage, whether it's at a breakfast table, backyard barbecue, or street cart, remember, behind that delicious bite is a fascinating network of machines, science, and people working in harmony. A product rooted in ancient tradition, now produced with modern precision. If you found this video useful, press that subscribe button below, or at least just like the video.
So next time you bite into a sausage, whether it's at a breakfast table, backyard barbecue, or street cart, remember, behind that delicious bite is a fascinating network of machines, science, and people working in harmony.